ഹായ് എവരി വൺ, വെൽക്കം ടു അവർ ചാനൽ. എല്ലാവർക്കും നമ്മുടെ ചാനലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. എല്ലാ മത്സര പരീക്ഷകളുടെയും പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ ആൻഡ് ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആണ് ഈ ചാനലിലൂടെ നമ്മൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ജോലിക്ക് വേണ്ടി പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്ന എല്ലാ ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾക്കും ഇത് ഉപകാരപ്പെടും എന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. ഓരോരുത്തരുടെയും യോഗ്യതയ്ക്കനുസരിച്ചുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറുകൾ വേർതിരിച്ച് കണ്ടെത്താൻ ചാനലിലെ പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റ് പരിശോധിക്കുക. ഈ ചാനൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടുവെങ്കിൽ മറക്കാതെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. തുടർന്നിടുന്ന വീഡിയോകളുടെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ലഭ്യമാകാൻ ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് പോകാം.
ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ വീഡിയോ കേരള PSCയുടെ ട്രേഡ്സ്മാൻ ഇലക്ട്രിക്കൽ ഈ എക്സാമിന്റെ പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ എക്സാം 8/11/2022 നടത്തിയ എക്സാമിന്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻഡ് ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമാവുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ മറക്കാതെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വിച്ച് ഓഫ് ദ ഫോളോയിങ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് ഈസ് കറക്റ്റ് അബൌട്ട് ആൻ ആറ്റം? സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ്സ് ആർ: first, the electrons have a negative charge of 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Second statement, the nucleus of atom consists of protons and neutrons. Third statement, the protons have a positive charge of 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Correct answer is all of the above. Option D is the correct answer. Next question is, the valence shell of an atom of a material is filled with 4 electrons. The material is known as. Answer: semiconductors. Which of the following process is known as soldering? Process are: first, the process of joining two metal conductors without melting them. Second process, the process of joining two metal conductors by melting them. Third process, the process of joining two metal conductors by using the rivets. Correct answer: option C, 1 only. That means ഒന്നാമത്തെ പ്രോസസ് ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളത്. Question, which of the following soldering flux is used for soldering electrical conductors? Answer: tallow. Option C is the right answer. Which of the following is the commonly available soldering flux used for soldering aluminum conductors? Answer: option B. That means option 3 and 4 is the correct answer. Next, which of the following method is used for laying underground cable? First method is laying direct in ground or in ducts. Second method, laying in racks in air or in tunnel. Third method, laying along builders or structures. Correct answer: all of the above. Option D is the correct answer. Next, when the operating voltage are greater than 66 kV, which type of the following cable is used for electric power transmission? Answer: option B, pressure cable. Which of the following substance is known as semiconductors? Options: germanium, eureka, ebonite, silicon. Answer: option A, 1 and 4 only. Next, which of the following statement is true about UG cables? That means underground cable. Statements are: armoring protect the cable from mechanical injuries. Metallical sheath protect the cable from chemical attacks. Third statement, bedding protect the armoring from corrosion. Correct answer: option A, 1 and 2 only. Next, which of the following wire joint is used on OH lines for tapping the electric supply perpendicular to the service lines? Answer: option B, Britannia T-joint. Next, which of the following law states that the resistance of a wire is directly proportional to its length and inversely proportional to its area of cross-section at constant resistivity of the material of the wire? Answer: option D, law of resistance. Next, what will be the current flowing through each resistors when a 100 ohm and 50 ohm resistors are connected in series across a 300 voltage DC supply? Answer: option A, 2A, flowing through both resistors. Next question, which of the following statement is correct about Kirchhoff's laws? Statements are: first, the sum of incoming current at a junction is equal to the sum of outgoing current from that junction. Second option, the sum of voltage drops in a closed circuit is equal to the voltage applied to the circuit. Third statement, current flowing through a closed resistive circuit is always equal to the voltage applied to the circuit. Correct answer option C, 1 and 2 only. Next, which of the following statement is correct about resistance of pure metallic conductors? Statements are: first, resistance increases with the increase in temperature. Second, resistance decreases with the decrease in temperature. Third statement, resistance decreases with the increase in area of cross-section. Fourth statement, resistance increases with the increase in area of cross-section. Correct answer option B, 1 and 3 only. Next, in 10 number of 200 ohm resistors are connected in parallel across a 12 voltage DC supply. What will be the effective resistance applied across the supply? Correct answer option D, 20 ohm. Next question, the mass of a substance liberated or deposited during electrolysis by 1 coulomb of electricity is termed as? Answer option C, electrochemical equivalent. Next, which of the following statement is correct about a dry cell? Statements are: first, the chemical reaction between the electrodes and the electrolyte produces a voltage. Second statement, the dry cells must not be always operated in an upright position. Third statement, the cells have vents to escape gases generated during charge or discharge. Correct answer option A, 1 and 2 only. Next, the bending of electrodes in a lead acid cell due to overcharging is known as? Correct answer option D, buckling. Next, which of the following cell in which the chemical reaction that occurs during discharge is not reversed? Answer option C, carbon zinc cell. Next, a battery operated electric bike requires 48 volt 100 ampere battery pack. The cell rated 1.2 volt 2 ampere is available. Choose a suitable combination from the following to make the battery pack. Correct answer option B, 50 parallel rows with 40 cells in series. Next, what is the capacitance of a capacitor of 10 volt is applied to it and store a charge of 10 coulomb? Correct answer option A, 1 farad. Next, which of the following statement is correct about the capacitive reactance? Statements are: first, the opposition offered to the flow of altering current by a capacitor. Second statement, capacitive reactance inversely proportional to the frequency of supply voltage. Third statement, capacitive reactance is directly proportional to the capacitance of the capacitor. Correct answer option A, 1 and 2 only. Next, which of the following is a polarized capacitor? Correct answer option C, tantalum capacitor. Question, a circuit consists of two capacitors of 10 microfarad. Each are connected in series across a 20 volt supply. How much charge is stored in the circuit? Answer option B, 100 microcoulomb. Which of the following law states that the back EMF has a polarity which opposes the force that created it? Correct answer, Lenz's law. Next, an inductor of 1 Henry is connected to a 100 volt 50 Hz AC supply. What is the value of the reactance that offered by the inductor? Correct answer option Z, 314 ohm. Which of the following expressions give the amount of energy stored in an inductor? Correct answer 0.5 Li square. Which of the following factor determines the polarity of the electromagnet? Answer option D, direction of current. Next, which of the following material is a paramagnetic material? Answer aluminium. Which of the following rule is used to determine the direction of mechanical force experienced by a current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field? Answer Fleming's left hand rule. Option A is the right answer. Which of the following statement is not necessarily valid for alternating current? Correct answer option C is suitable for charging batteries. Next, in AC circuit, from the following elements, the power consumed in. Elements are first inductance, second capacitance, third resistance. Correct answer option D, 3 only. Next, the insulating material of the cable should have options: low permittivity, high resistivity, high dielectric strength. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer option D, all of the above. Next, if the supply frequency changes from 50 Hz to 100 Hz, keeping the voltage constant, the current flowing through the coil having negligible resistance and high inductive reactance. Answer option B become half. Next, choose the most suitable answer from the following statement to improve the power factor of a system. Statements are: use only the resistive load. Second, run the motor with the full load. Third, use capacitive bank. Fourth, all of the above. Correct answer option D, 3 only. Next, why AC is required to measure the earth resistance by using earth resistance tester? Answer option A, avoid electrolytic EMF interference. Next, which type of wiring system is suitable for multi-storied building? Answer distribution board system. Next, what is the permissible leakage current in any wiring installation as per IE rule? Answer option C, not exceed 1/5000th part of full load current. Next, which type test is used to carried out to check whether the switches are connected in live wire or not? Answer option B, polarity test. Which is the minimum clearance between the bottom point of the ceiling fan and the floor as per IE rule? Answer option C, 2.4 meter. The question is, what will happen if shunt field resistance is too large? Answer option A, fails to build up voltage. Next, how load is shifted from one generator to other when DC generators are operating in parallel? Answer option D, adjusting excitation. Next, which of the following generator does not build up voltage if load is not connected? Answer option A, series generator. Next, which motor is used in heavy construction trucks? Answer option D, DC series motor. Next, why the holding coil of a 3-point starter is connected in series with shunt field? Correct answer option B, to protect the motor from high speed. Next question, which type DC generator is used for long distance distribution lines? Answer option D, cumulative compound generator. Next question, which speed control method offers below normal speed in DC shunt motor? Answer option C, armature control method. How to obtain opposite polarity in adjacent poles of a 4-pole DC motor? Correct answer option D, making current flow in different direction. In any DC generator, the EMF generated in the armature is maximum when the answer option B, rate of change of flux linkage is maximum. What happened when the supply terminals of a DC shunt motor are interchanged. Answer option C. The motor will run at its normal speed in the same direction as before. Next, for starting a slip ring induction motor, dash starter is used. Correct answer option B. Rotor resistant starter. The speed of rotor of an induction motor is, correct answer, less than synchronous speed. The synchronous speed of a 4-pole motor at 50 Hz can be, correct answer, option A, 1500 RPM. Next question, thermal overload relays are dash than magnetic overload relays. Correct answer, option B, slower. Next, the purpose of backup fuse is to provide protection against. Answer, short circuit. When the rotor is stationary, the frequency of rotor current is, correct answer, option A, same as supply frequency. Next, the fractional slip of an induction motor is the ratio. Answer, option A, rotor current loss bar rotor input. Next question, if starting winding of a single phase induction motor is left in the circuit, it will, correct answer, option C, draw excessive current. Next, which of the following motor operate on AC and DC supply? Answer, option A, universal motor. Next, if a single phase induction motor runs slower than normal, the more likely defect is. Answer, option D, worn bearing. Next, for the range extension of DC ammeter, dash is used. Correct answer, option C, shunt. Next, a transformer transforms. Answer, option B, voltage. Next, the transformer oil is used in a transformer provides. Options, cooling and insulation, insulation and conduction. Third, cooling and lubrication. Fourth, insulation and cooling. Correct answer, option B, both 1 and 4. Next, which of the following is incorrect? Options are Megger for checking insulation resistance, lux meter measure the amount of amplitude in a workspace. Third, clamp meter resistance, tachometer revolution per minute. Correct answer, option D, both 2 and 3. Next, energy meter can be classified as dash instrument. Answer, integrating instrument. Option D. Next, the most efficient form of damping used in electrical instrument is. Answer, option C, eddy current damping. Next question, the starting torque of shaded pole motor is. Answer, low. The rotor of a split phase motor receives its power from. Answer, magnetic induction. Next question, the principle of operation of auto transformer is. Answer, self-induction. A capacitor start single phase motor will usually have a PF of. Answer, 0.8 lagging. Next question, the mean of the candle power of a light source in all direction above or below the horizontal plane is called as. Answer, mean hemispherical candle power. Next question, the outer tube of a high pressure metal halide lamp is made of borosilicate glass. Select the correct reason from the list. Answer is option D, reduce the ultraviolet radiation from the lamp. Next, as per IE standards, what should be the insulation resistance between the body of a water heater and the connection cable? Correct answer, option D, 1.00 mega ohm. Next, from the given list, which is used as the heating unit of an electrical kettle? Answer, concealed wire in metal tube. Next question, what is produced by doping silicon with arsenic? Answer, N-type semiconductor. Next question, the conductivity of semiconductors is increased by adding impurities with pure semiconductor material. How many electrons in an atom of donor impurity? Answer 5. In the following special purpose diode, which is formed by metal and semiconductor? Answer Schottky diode. Next, the ripple factor of a power supply is a measure of. Answer filter efficiency. Next, in a normal transistor circuit, the proper biasing is. Correct answer option D. Emitter base junction is forward, collector base junction is reverse. Next, from the given list of generating stations, which has low running cost? Answer option B. Hydro. From the given list, choose the correct group of conventional energy source. Correct answer option C. Oil, natural gas, firewood. Next question, biogas is a mixture of. Answer methane and carbon dioxide. Next question, arrange the following from smallest to largest in a photovoltaic system PV system. Options are module, array, solar cell, array field. Correct answer option B. 3, 1, 2, 4. Next question, the knowledge of diversity factor helped in determining. Answer plant capacity. Which of the following places is not associated with nuclear power plants in India? Answer option C. Bangalore. Next question, a penstock is used as a conduit between. Correct answer option B. A dam and turbine in hydro station. Next, wind energy is harnessed by using. Option C. Turbine generator. Next question, a diesel generating plant running on 400 volt 50 Hz 3-phase low tension supply for 10 hours. The load comprises lighting load of 2.5 kW at 0.9 power factor lagging on R phase, a heater load of 5 kW at UPF on Y phase, and a 3-phase SCIM drawing 5 kW at 0.8 power factor lagging. What is the total energy consumption by the load? Correct answer option A. 125 units. Next question is, cables used for 33 kV to 60 kV underground services are. Correct answer option B. Extra high tension cables. Next, as per Indian electricity rule in overhead system, the recommended span length for CC poles is. Correct answer option C. 80 to 100 meters. Next, from the given list, find the insulator used for distribution lines up to 33 kV is. Options are pin insulator, reel insulator, post insulator, strain insulator. Correct answer option A. Only 1 and 4. Next question, the cause for current in a transmission line under no load condition is due to. Answer capacitance of line. Next question, which compensation is required for improving power factor in feeder voltage controller? Answer shunt capacitor. Next, which of the following voltage level is used in primary transmission? Answer 400 kV. A DC 3-wire distributor system requires how much copper as compared with a DC 2-wire system? Answer option D. Only 31.25%. What type of insulator is used at dead end of and straight lines as suspension type for voltages 3.3 kV and above? Correct answer option C. Strain insulator. Next, a uniform loaded DC distributor is fed at both ends with equal voltages as compared to a similar distributor fed at one end only. The drop at the middle point is. Correct answer on 4th. And the last question is, in a DC 3-wire distributor using balancers and having unequal loads on the two sides. Correct answer option Z. Balancer connected to lightly loaded side run as a motor.
ഓക്കെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ദിസ് ഈസ് ഓൾ ഫോർ ടുഡേ. ഈ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടുവെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. കൂടാതെ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.